Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about scholarship opportunities at Wuhan University. Here we will discuss the admission guide for Chinese government scholarship. The Chinese government scholarship is a scholarship established by Ministry of Education of the People's Republic of China to support some Chinese college universities to directly select and recommend talented international students from Belt and Road Initiative related countries to study in China. Wuhan University is one of the prestigious universities designated to undertake this program to recurrent graduate students to study for master's and doctoral degree in the following majors. So if you want to pursue your master's or PhD degree, then you can apply in these majors at Wuhan University for CSE scholarship. Software engineering, photogrammetry and remote sensing, and all these majors. What is the coverage of the scholarship? They will cover your tuition fee and application fee. You don't need to submit your application fee if you are applying for CSE scholarship. Free accommodation, living allowance, comprehensive medical insurance. For more detail about the scholarship, you can visit here. I have also made the video how you can apply for CSE scholarship. First you need to apply on CSE portal and then you need to apply on university portal. What are the eligibility criteria? Must be citizen of non-Chinese nationality, be a bachelor's degree holder, master's degree holder under the age, have acquired Chinese proficiency HSK level 4 when applying for Chinese START program. Similarly, if you are applying for English START program, then you can have TOEFL, IELTS, or those who cannot offer the above mentioned standard English test result can provide a proof of their previous studying at an institution where the teaching language is English. So you can get the English proficiency certificate from your previous university. Where and when to apply? Apply online to Wuhan University. Application runs from November 15th to April 15th. What is the procedure to application? Register and submit your application at Chinese government scholarship. Click on here and submit your application on category B, and then you need to submit your application at Wuhan University application portal. Required documents are online application form of Chinese government scholarship, online application form for international students of Wuhan, and copy of ordinary passport homepage, notarized high diplomatic certificates, academic transcripts, language qualification certificate, study plan, recommendation letters, physical examination form, and non-criminal record acceptance letter if you are applying for PhD program. Or you can also get the acceptance letter when you are applying for master's program. That will increase your chances of getting the admission. Yeah, so these are all the details how you can apply for CSE application, CSE scholarship at Wuhan University. So first you need to register here, and then you will download one application form. Then you need to submit your application here at Wuhan University. And if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. I wish you best of luck. I will add the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.